Hello, my name is David Chen and I work for Dallas College in the ETMS program. I have taught CompTIA A+, Core 1, Core 2, Network Plus, and Linux Plus. One of the biggest challenges my student faces preparing is constantly changing certification exams. Whizlabs has helped by providing high-quality, exam-style practice questions and closely reflected to real testing environment. This helps students understand how questions are framed and build confidence before exam days. Whizlabs has enhanced the learning experience by giving students access to strong test banks that reinforce key concepts and highlighted areas where they need to improvements. Since using Whizlabs, I've seen students become more confident and better prepared for their exams. Whizlabs has added real values to our training, providing realistic exam preparation tools that help students succeed. While I have not used the simulation labs, I am very much looking forward to exploring as additional hands-on learning resources. I have not used Whizlabs through the LMS integration, since Dallas College uses Brightspace, but I am interested in the future integration opportunities. Overall, my experience with Whizlabs has been very positive. I would highly recommend Whizlabs to other institutions and teams looking to improve certification success.